You guys remember yesterday when I was working on that hedge trimmer, I said to myself, with all the heavy winds and stuff, let me move my car in case that branch decides that it wants to fall on my windshield. Woke up this morning, looky here what fell right where my car was. I don't know if this would have damaged broke the windshield, but it definitely would have damaged it, right? Scraped it or whatever, because it's a pretty big, branch. Man, oh man, I love it how that happens, when you just think, that thing's gonna fall off, right? Let me move my car. Boom. Awesome. Anyway, some nut wants to buy my crowbar. The biggest crowbar in the world. If I could remember what happened. Aha. It's a 4-foot crowbar. I listed it on Craigslist for like $25. I like it and stuff, but I'm not going to use it. I haven't used it so far. My guy's on its way to come get it. I just woke up, so I'm like, I'll leave it on the driveway, and if you want it, just leave $20 under the windshield wiper of the gold Acura. Yeah. I have to go to the bathroom, if you know what I mean. When I come back out, hopefully it'll be DONESKI. Ooh, I feel much better now. Much lighter. Scores! Some nut wants to buy my Troy built with the 7.75, the patch bag. Oh dear. I don't have any experience fixing these things. None whatsoever. Gonna have to try. So this is a good mower. I forget what I did to it to get it fixed. It's been sitting here for about a week. Let's see if it starts. It has gas in it. Perfect. Just to load that in my truck and meet the guy at the church. It's a decent mower. I have it listed for $175. The guy offered me $150. I'm like, you saw the picture? There's a patch in the bag. He's like, yeah, I know. I'm like, okay, $150. Let's see if that happens today. Mailbag. Got this package today from Quinn the mailman. I ordered a bunch of stuff on eBay because I was browsing for garage lights and stuff. Because I have so much security surveillance now, I figured the lighting should be better outside. So I bought one of these things. It's a solar paneled floodlight. Here's the solar panel. You can mount this on your... I'm going to mount this above my garage on the roof, where my other solar panels are. And it has a long wire here where you can plug in. And here's the main lighting fixture. Look at all those LEDs, huh? With the motion detector here, you plug in the solar panel source, power source here. Here's a bracket where you would screw into the above the garage and then merely just clip it on. This was, I think, almost $30. But I remember that I had purchased another one that was smaller, like that. That's also solar panel, but solar powered. But that's been here for about 8 years. I think I paid almost $49.99 for that. And technology has gotten better now and cheaper, so I'm gonna get a far more LED lights for less than half the price of what I paid for that one. You know, I'm gonna put it right above that camera there. But first, I gotta clean up this mess. Well, I guess I better get cracking on putting this on. So I just sold the Troy built at the church, and the guy was like, I kind of thought that maybe there was something about it, right? Because he didn't really ask all that many questions other than the fact that, hey, is that the same engine on the Toro Time Master? I said, yeah. And he says, okay, I'll take it. So when I got there, I says, let me guess. You have a Toro Time Master with a blown engine, and you just want to buy this to put it on there. He's like, bingo. So he didn't even really need the bagger. So he says I could have the bagger back, and I could use this bagger for something else in the future for sure, you know. So that's a score for me. 150 for, the guy just wanted the engine, you know what I mean? Love how things work out like that, you know. Now to continue my solar floodlight install. Didn't think I'd sell another lawnmower, huh? Scores! You know what? I was just thinking, I have another Toro XT back here without a bag. Let's see if this bag fits on this one. I think this is an XT. Oh, it doesn't. It looks like a Toro XT. That's cheap. Another one. That's so many. I'm so mixed up. I don't think so. Either way, good deal. Bill Martini, if you don't come and get this, I am going to throw it out. So I just installed the light onto the thing. Now I have to install the solar panels. I haven't climbed up here since I was a young lad. Here's a better shot of my solar panels. I'm on top of the garage now, and I also have 6 over here. How about that, huh? Awesome. Pointed right at the sun. Looks pretty good. Easy to install too. I think I paid $25. Free shipping. Let's see how it goes, you know? Now my driveway is going to be illuminated when somebody comes around here, and it'll be captured on video from my Vision camera. My property is secure with all these cameras, man. Awesome. And that's how you install solar flood security lights for $25. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's episode. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Because the UPS guy screwed this up, I'm going to see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.